I'm here with a string, and she's the oldest living person in this town. She doesn't speak English, right? No English. She's 93 years old. Welcome back. We're here in the river. We're gonna take this Husqvarna. We're gonna go over on this raft. We're gonna head over to the mountains. We're gonna do some mountain riding. Do you like that one? Let's go. This Captain is Brian at the rescue. We're gonna go ahead and go over there. We're gonna take off. We're going. A man of many talents. I can ride a motorcycle. I can captain a boat too. If you want a captain, you got one right here. Captain Bumblebee. Let's go ahead. We're gonna take off. We're gonna go up the river if we don't go down the river.
Be careful, Captain.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Just hang with me, everybody. I charge by the hour, so it's pretty cheap. A pirate's life for me. Da, 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 da. Yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Oh, what is this? A casket?
Yes.
Oh, somebody died?
Yes.
Oh, somebody died in here? Oh, they're making a casket.
My grandpa.
Your grandpa? Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, they're just making a casket by hand. That's very beautiful. The grandpa passed away back here, and we donated a little bit for his funeral. And these people here, they just build their own caskets, right? They don't buy it from town. They just build it. And the grandpa, bless your heart, rest in peace, right back here. He passed away last night. Lots of bamboo here in the jungle. They're beautiful. This jungle is very muddy, and we have a hard, my clutch went bad. I think my bike's overheating, and the tires are full of mud, and it's just crazy coming up here. I didn't know it was this muddy, so we're just gonna give the bike a rest. And my tires are just full of mud. It's really nuts up here, and my clutch just all of a sudden went out. So hopefully give the bike a rest and we'll get that clutch back. But here we are in the mountains. And it's a crazy drive, and it's wild. I'm exhausted. We're at Majas Elementary School, and they have like 30 students here. This is their classrooms. There's like 3 or 4 classrooms. And we just met a teacher right here. I'm here with Joma at the school, and he went ahead and subscribed, right, Joma?
Yeah, Joma man.
Yeah, and he's got his own channel, and
Centerland Vlogger.
Subscribe to his channel. We're here crossing this river. It's a little slippery. You got all these rivers here and it's really cool. It's like nature. They have all this running water. These people have everything. They got water, they got chickens, and they have a big carabao. You know what a carabao is? It's like a cow. Right here, they got a huge carabao. Come here, bud. This guy's huge and he's big. They use these for like in the rice fields and stuff like that. They as workhorses, but they're not horses. They're like big cows. They're very heavy, and they call them carabao. Carabao. We're here in Majos. Hello, dear. What's your name?
Jessica.
Jessica, and we have her daughters here. They're washing the clothes. We have a dishwasher. We have a clothes washer here. This is a very simple place, and the people just raise their food. They have those pigs over there. Up here in the mountains, they just raise their own food. This is a mama, and she's very beautiful. Look at that. She's got a lot of babies. I can see her little tits there. She's so beautiful. Look at her. She's gorgeous. They have chickens. They just live on their own. It's really cool up here. You don't need the society, but we have the Wi-Fi up here. Yes, it's you too. Okay, quiet. And we need Wi-Fi. There's a carabao over there. Hi, carabao. Got some chickens in the ground here. Whoa, come on, baby chicken. Woo. They're just cruising this Husqvarna.
Get lost, Bumblebee.
Go to this lush jungle. Very beautiful. Got there's bamboo. Wow, there's bamboo around here. We're in the jungle. How beautiful is this? Woo! Sharp left-hand turn. Up the mountain. We're on the raft and we're going to be heading off. We have our pilot here. There's Arwen. He's our pilot, chauffeur. We got the bike here. We're going to do some river crossing. We're on the water on the Husqvarna. We're here cruising the river. You like the river? I like the river. We're hanging out here. There's lots of dogs barking. They must like me.